Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron P83. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dell Inspiron P83 can't hold a charge and dies halfway through your work, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise due to a faulty battery, which can degrade over time. If left unaddressed, this problem can lead to further issues, including potential damage to your device's internal components. The good news is that replacing the battery is a straightforward process that you can manage with the right tools. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new battery compatible with the Dell Inspiron P83. Now, let's get started on the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip your laptop over and locate the battery release latches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery, ensuring you place them somewhere safe. Once you've removed the screws, gently slide the latches to release the battery. It's important to be cautious here, as forcing the battery can cause damage to the internal components. After that, you can carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Gently press it into place. Secure the new battery by sliding the latches back into their locked position. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier, making sure not to over-tighten them as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Once everything is securely in place, flip your laptop back over and power it on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After powering on, check to see if the battery is recognized and holding a charge. If it is, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to keep your laptop charged regularly and avoid letting it completely drain too often. It's also wise to shut down or put your laptop to sleep when not in use, rather than leaving it idle for long periods. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.